Capture breathtaking aerial footage and explore new perspectives with today's top picks. Today, we're going over the best drones with camera from our top picks, performance, intelligent tracking features, and reliable battery life, making them ideal for travel, content creation, outdoor adventures, and professional photography. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K drone is an outstanding choice for beginners and hobbyists who want professional quality aerial footage in a compact and lightweight package. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids many registration requirements, making it convenient for recreational users. Its biggest strength is the combination of a 4K Ultra HD camera and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which work together to produce remarkably smooth and cinematic videos. Whether capturing landscapes, travel adventures, or family gatherings, the footage remains stable and detailed even when flying in moderate wind conditions. The drone's level 5 wind resistance and brushless motors provide reliable performance outdoors, while its ability to operate at high altitudes expands its versatility. New pilots will appreciate features such as one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering, which make flying far less intimidating. Battery options are another advantage, allowing users to choose between flight times ranging from 31 to 93 minutes depending on the package selected.
Number 2. Bwine F7GIM Drone. The Bwine F7GIM Drone stands out as a feature-rich model designed for users who want advanced imaging capabilities and intelligent flight functions. Equipped with an impressive 6K camera and a 3-axis brushless gimbal, it captures sharp photos and smooth videos that rival much more expensive drones. The stabilization system significantly reduces unwanted motion, making it easier to record professional-looking footage even during windy conditions. Beginners will find the drone approachable thanks to one-key takeoff, auto-return functionality, and a dedicated beginner mode. The addition of TOF and GPS sensors further improves flight stability and confidence for new pilots. One of the most appealing features is the collection of smart flight modes, including Follow Me, Orbit, Waypoint Planning, and Cruise Control. These tools allow users to create cinematic shots with minimal effort. The drone's long-range transmission system supports real-time video up to 10,000 feet, making it suitable for exploring large outdoor spaces. Its total flight time of approximately 70 minutes with 2 batteries provides plenty of opportunities for extended filming sessions. Number 3. Ruko F11PRO Drone. The Ruko F11PRO Drone is a thoughtfully designed aircraft that balances ease of use with advanced imaging performance. Featuring a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and 4K video recording capabilities, it delivers stable and detailed footage suitable for travel videos, outdoor adventures, and family events. The ability to capture 6K photos adds extra flexibility for users who enjoy aerial photography. One of the strongest aspects of this drone is its focus on simplicity. The beginner mode and one-key takeoff and landing functions reduce the learning curve, allowing new users to enjoy flying almost immediately. Safety is another major advantage. The GPS-powered Return to Home feature automatically guides the drone back when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or the user activates the function manually. This greatly reduces the chances of losing the aircraft during flights. The package includes 2 intelligent batteries that provide up to 70 minutes of combined flight time, which is impressive for drones in this category. Even in windy environments, the gimbal system helps maintain smooth footage and steady control. Number 4. Holley HS175D Drone. The Holley HS175D Drone is an affordable and beginner-friendly option that offers a solid set of features for casual aerial photography and recreational flying. Its 4K camera captures clear images and videos, while the 110-degree wide-angle lens helps users fit more scenery into each shot. A particularly useful feature is the adjustable camera angle, allowing pilots to change perspectives without constantly repositioning the drone. The inclusion of 5 GHz FPV transmission enhances the flying experience by providing a smoother and more responsive live video feed. GPS-assisted flight technology adds another layer of convenience and security. Features such as auto return to home help prevent accidental loss by automatically bringing the drone back when the battery is low or the signal becomes weak.
For new users, the HS175D includes helpful flight aids such as altitude hold, optical flow positioning, headless mode, speed adjustment, and one-key takeoff and landing. These functions simplify operation and make learning much easier. The drone comes with 2 batteries, providing up to 46 minutes of total flight time, which is generous for its class.
Number 5. Oddire 249GM Drone. The Oddire 249GM Drone is a lightweight and portable model designed for users who want a convenient flying experience without sacrificing useful features. Weighing only 249 grams, it falls below many registration thresholds, making it appealing for recreational pilots who value simplicity and portability. Its adjustable 4K UHD camera, equipped with a wide-angle lens, captures attractive aerial photos and videos suitable for travel, outdoor adventures, and social media content. Intelligent GPS technology is one of the drone's standout features. Functions such as automatic return to home, follow mode, route planning, and orbit flying allow users to create dynamic footage while reducing the risk of losing the aircraft. The drone also includes a dual battery setup that provides up to 48 minutes of total flight time, offering plenty of opportunities to explore and record. A 5G Wi-Fi transmission system delivers stable real-time video feedback, helping pilots frame shots more accurately while maintaining a reliable connection. That wraps up the top 5 best drones with camera. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.